Vincent van Gogh. You might know him from Starry Night, that painting with the swirly sky that everyone posts when they're feeling deep. But behind those paintings was a man who really went through it. Van Gogh created over 900 paintings, but during his lifetime he only sold one. Imagine creating masterpiece after masterpiece and still being broke. He also struggled with mental health, and at one point he even tried to eat paint, not because it was tasty, but because life was just that hard. And then there's the famous ear incident. After a fight with his friend, Paul Gauguin, Van Gogh had a breakdown and cut off part of his own ear. What did he do next? He gave it to a woman, not flowers, not chocolate, an ear. Some guys give mixed signals, Van Gogh gave mixed body parts. But despite everything, he never stopped painting. While recovering in a hospital, he painted Star Night, a piece that shows both his chaos and his hope. It's proof that even in pain, beauty can still be created. So today, Van Gogh's paintings are worth millions, and his story reminds us that sometimes people won't understand your worth right away, but that doesn't mean you're not a masterpiece in progress.